Hey guys, today we are doing a Porsche 911 2023. We're going to put on a 6-year coating by System X. Comes with a 6-year warranty and registers with Carfax. This is actually a repeat customer's car, so there's not much we need to do in terms of decontamination. We're just going to wash it down, dry it, and then we're going to pull it in, start polishing it. We had already put on a 6-month sealant, but the customer wanted something a little bit more permanent, so he brought it into us today. And first, what we want to do is tape everything off so that way we don't burn any of the trim. And once we have that finished, we are going to start dialing the paint in, meaning you start with the least aggressive polishing you have and work your way up to the most aggressive to see which the paint responds best to. In this case, it's a very hard clear coat, or as you could also say, paint. So what I am using is a blue microfiber pad with CarPro Ultra Cut. Still seeing a lot of hardness in the paint, but this car thankfully has almost no imperfections in it since it's pretty much perfect. So we're really just going for gloss. That's our big goal here, is just trying to make the car look as glossy and perfect as possible. Once we're finished with the compounding, we're going to move on to the polishing. As you can see, I'm doing this here. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I don't want to bore you with it, but we used, since I just need so much cut, I still use the blue microfiber pad with CarPro Reflect, just a little less aggressive, just trying to give some more gloss to it. And finally, after we're done with the polishing, we're going to bring it back outside. We are now just cleaning it up again. Remove any residual oils on the car. That way when we put the ceramic coating on, it's not gonna interfere with any of the curing. This package also comes with a wheel face coating, so we have to make sure that these are as clean as possible. We're gonna get all the spokes, all the nooks and crannies, etc. Once we're done with that, we bring it back in, we blow out all the crevices of any water. That way there's no water drips on the vehicle. And then we are going to use an IPA solution. We use CarPro Eraser to remove the final bits of the residual oils. And once we finish with that, we can move on to the ceramic coating. So here you can see I'm applying it with a blue microfiber pad. And don't forget to wear your mask. It's just good for health reasons, and it's also really annoying to breathe in those fumes. Of course, you have to spray down with the IPA solution on the rims as well. And there you have it. We have a perfectly installed coating. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like and subscribe.